Hey everybody, welcome to episode 6 of the Alliance RV Chronicles. Today we're going to be talking about Delta and having Piyo, our plant manager, run us through the product line.
Hi everyone, I'm Piyo, and here we are at the Delta plant. 33 stations right here, and we got 10 departments. I'm pointing out here, this is our floors department where it comes in at the door. It gets tanks, it gets wires, it gets water lines, it gets the floor gets set, it gets over, it gets flipped, it gets axles get put on. We get to do all that the draws for the wires and everything now. Up here is where we have the cabinet shop. Right behind these 2 units, cabinet shop is where they do the magic. They pretty much make the whole unit. It's talking about cabinets, all your dress, everything that you see in a unit gets built with that embossed cabinet. It gets built in cabinet shop, and it comes and slides over, and it gets to where it's base. Now we'll show you guys is 10 departments, floors, cabinet shop. I'm gonna point out you guys are our plumbing department. Is station, if I'm correct, 33 station. It starts right here where our plumbing starts building. As you can see right here is where our base system. Station for plumbing. You already see a progress here. We're ready to get them going right here. You see our panels are getting, water lines getting all secure and all that. Our plumbing, they make sure that they are, I'm pointing out these holes right here. All of our units get water, the whole line, all the way out at the end of the line. But they get filled with, all our black tanks get filled. Make sure there's no leaks or nothing. But they're filled all the way until they come out the door. We come this way, our shelling department, where it starts right here. Here's where, like I said, our cabinets already, some of our base set is done. Some of our interior cabinets are not hung yet, but that's where our sidewalls come in, and the Delta gets built. You can start seeing it right here to this one right here, where it's already covered up. Here's where the roof gets set, and our interior panels and overheads and all that gets all done. Okay, then we have right here our electrical department. Went from that scaffold to this scaffold. Here's where our rough wires gets ran in the roof. All of our wires get dropped down. That's where they, where they gotta go. Switches and all that. You see the front of this unit. They're just gonna get it started, right? When it's all done right here. We got about 4 or 5 stations for our electrical department. Tell you guys right here is we have our 3 main line QCs is on this plan. Is the back QC is she always have this. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys is her QC it says do not roll. That's her own thing, and we do respect that. Every employee right here respects this QC block. If it says do not roll and it's in that unit, we don't roll if it's in that unit. That means because she wants to make sure that unit, electrical, shelling, in floors, in cabinet shop, she's good with all that. That means there's not gonna be any more that way. Right here is where our electrical gets high potted, it gets ready to go. Okay, we come back here. Here is where our metal department starts, where it starts with the decking. All of our insulation gets done. Our decking gets done in our rubber roof scaffold. This is where it gets done, making sure all our plug-in gets all done right here on our metal. You see the unit how is making its way out to final. Our front cap gets done and keeps going. Windows, everything gets plugged down. Now our rubber roof scaffold here. This is our rubber seal. It gets sealed. 100% seal. We still have our QC comes over here. Our midline QC, she double checks the seal is good. She gets on the scaffold, looks at it. She can't get any better eyes on that when she's up on that scaffold. You're looking at it like you're looking at the floor. She's making sure everything is sealed right correctly. From there, we come over here to our offline slide outs. I'm gonna show you guys. So we have offline slide out department is on the back of this unit. You see the boxes, they're getting built, ready to come in. our diners get put on and all that, and we make sure that's like their own little production line, because a lot of our slide houses will have appliances and all that stuff, and comes down here to our slide out department. Online is where we set the box in the unit. This is where it gets set and it's forming the unit. Our Delta gets pretty much sealed, and you'll see the whole box done. Our back half final is what we call it, from doors and drawers to back final over there, which is get the trim that's all done. Doors and drawers get installed. Talking about right here in this station, station 6, they get installed. They get built right here. We have QCs. They even come over here and look at the drawers. But even before they even get installed, they're already getting QC. We're quality is first. Doing the right thing. That's what we do. Here's another really important thing on a production line too, is systems where it gets checked. Station 5 right here, we have a systems person. She will take care of the water, electrical, gas, making sure everything works, all your appliances are working, your brake lights, your everything. This is where it gets tested. If it's not good, we won't roll it anymore from here. It's 100% tested right here. Final finish from station 4, pretty much going up. This is where fin finish gets done. Is looking at our graphic, making sure our seal is correctly, making sure inside is done. The fin finish that you guys see in your unit, it gets done right here in first station. And from here, we still go PDI, our PDI department. Every unit gets PDI. They check systems again. They double check everything again. They finish it again. It's all eyes on this unit, guys. That way, every unit that comes out of this plant is 100% PDI, all it's quality, 100%. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, comment below. We will take care of it, and hopefully see you guys in the future.
Well, if you enjoyed that tour with Piyo and you're looking for more information on Delta, you can find it on our social media platforms or at alliancerv.com.